Namaste friends, Sarvesham Swagatam. Today 10th shloka of Shri Shakambhari Kavacham. Gachantam patu tishtantam shayanam patu shulini rajadvare chakantare khadgini patu mam pathi. Gachantam while going, tishtantam while standing, shayanam while sleeping, patu protect, shulini who holds shula that is spear, rajadvare in front of king's palace, kantare in thick forest. Rajadvare means when you have some critical or important work. Kantare means difficult times. Khadgini who holds sword. Pathi on the way. Let Shulini protect me while going, standing and sleeping. Let Khadgini protect me in critical times and in the times of difficulties. ನಡೆಯುವಾಗ, ನಿಂತಾಗ ಮತ್ತು ಮಲಗಿದಾಗ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಶೂಲಿನಿಯು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಲಿ. ಕಠಿಣ ಪ್ರಸಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಷ್ಟದ ಪ್ರಸಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಖಡ್ಗಿಣಿಯು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಲಿ. ಖಡ್ಗಿನಿ, ಶೂಲಿನಿ ಆರ್ ದ ಫೆಮಿನೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಧನ್ಯವಾದः. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.